just brought my bins inside and I'm gonna start unboxing for spring. I did purchase a couple of things and I'll share that with you as well.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm unboxing my spring decor in preparation for the spring decorating season. Now, I may not use everything that you see here on the table, but I'm going to show you what I have along with some new purchases. So stick with me.
Shared that with you in another haul. The price was $3.99 and that, the bunnies. And some, this is actually a hula skirt, but I use it for a basket. Some DIY, everything wrapped up like this is probably an end of the season haul that I just threw in here, and these are adorably cute. And these say $5.99. DIY bunny. You see that okay? And I made that with 2 wreaths. White bunnies. Another one of last year's DIYs. I will probably use that this year along with my DIY carrot garland. And here's another one bunny. My wood look bunnies, which is super, super cute, and I love those. I have some Easter eggs. They were marked $7. Got those on clearance as well. Okay, here I have some bunnies. I guess I got this on clearance, 50 cents. Little bunny dish. No price on that. Easter egg, which is cute. I think I remember buying these at the thrift store. Another little bunny dish, and just some little bunnies here. See those okay? Easter basket. It's another set of bunnies. And down in there looks like a load of, I'm not going to say it, but, oh, these are cute. Look at these. These were my mother's. These are butterflies that I probably picked up from Dollar Tree. So DIY, but never use those. More baskets, different Easter baskets, and this looks like a wreath that I DIY'd a couple years ago. Looks like some of the eggs came off. Aww, this is another Easter guy that belonged to my mom. Let's put him here. More DIYs, carrots, and these are an assortment of DIY Easter eggs, which I probably will carry. DIY, the book stack DIY, and then I have this beautiful Easter dish, some florals inside. Love that piece. Here are more bunnies. This time we have the moss ones. More carrots. Those are DIY. More DIY carrot garland. And those little swag bags there. My Easter bunnies. 2 of those. Probably throw these in the washing machine. Here I have my Easter egg tree. As you can see, it lost some eggs along the way, so I will probably rezhuzh this. Here are the eggs that are lost. Keep that together. Here I have some egg-shaped candles. So I'll put those out. One more Easter bunny. Okay, here we go. Unbox. Let me get the bags from the car. I love these. Love these. Look at that. Aren't they adorable? And the price on these, make that out, $14.99. And I got two of them when I got today at Home Goods. And I also got some Easter napkins from Dollar Tree. I picked up some of these and I really like them. So I got a couple of packs of those and some floral foam for this year's DIY. And I got paint for a thrift flip. And a couple more LED candles. And yeah, I think that is about, excuse the mess in the garage. I have not done my garage cleanup, but this is about the size of it. And I'm gonna start putting out some Easter decor once everything is all cleaned up. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.